The fourth subject that I'm going to report is about living in the IT era. What is living in the IT era? Living in the IT era or living in the information technology has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. The rapid advancement in technology have transformed every aspect of our daily lives from how we access information to how we interact with one another. And this way, we will explore the impact of living in the IT era and how it has reshaped our world. Now, let's proceed the overview of living in the IT era. Living in this information technology or IT era has revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and live our daily lives. The rapid advancement of technology has brought about significant changes in various aspects of society, making our world more connected, efficient, and convenient. One of the most noticeable impacts of the IT era is the way we communicate. With the advent of smartphones, social media, and messaging apps, staying in touch with friends and family has never been easier. We can now connect with people from all around the world in an instant, share our thoughts and experiences, and build relationships across borders and cultures. In the workplace, IT has transformed the way we work. Cloud computing, collaboration tools, and project management software have made remote work as reality, allowing employees to work from anywhere in the world. This flexibility has not only increased productivity but also improved work-life balance for many individuals. The IT era has also revolutionized the way we access information. The internet has become a vast repository of knowledge where we can find answers to almost any question with just few clicks. Online learning platforms have made education more accessible, allowing people to learn new skills and advance their career from the comfort of their homes. Moreover, the rise of e-commerce has changed the way we shop and consume goods. Online shopping platforms like Amazon and Alibaba have made it possible to buy almost anything online, from groceries to electronics, with a click of a button. This convenience has reshaped the retail industry and transformed the way we shop. However, living in the IT era also comes with its challenges. The constant connectivity and information overload can lead to digital fatigue and mental health issues. Privacy concerns and data security breaches are also major issues that need to be addressed in this digital age. Now, what is the important lesson that we can get on this subject? First, the IT era has fundamental transfer. Now we live, work, and interact with the world. And I will give you few examples or key lessons about navigating this digital landscape. The first one is embrace constant change. Technology evolves rapidly. The IT era is characterized by constant innovation. New technologies emerge, existing ones become obsolete, and the way we use technology shifts rapidly. Adapt and learn to thrive in this era is crucial to be adaptable and embrace lifelong learning. This means staying informed about new technologies, developing digital literacy skills, and being open to new ways of doing things. Second, the power of connections. Hyperconnectivity. The IT era has created a world of hyperconnectivity where people are constantly connected through the internet and mobile devices. This has revolutionized communication, information access, and social interaction. Navigating digital communities. Understanding how to navigate digital communities, manage online interactions, and protect personal information is essential in this connected world. Third, information overload and critical thinking. Abundance of information, the IT era has led to an explosion of information, making it challenging to discern reliable sources and filter out misinformation. Developing critical thinking skills. Developing critical thinking skills is a crucial for evaluating information, identifying biases, and making informed decisions in a digital world saturated with data. And number four, digital ethics and responsibility. Impact on society. The IT era has profound implications for society, including issues of privacy, security, and the digital divide. Ethical considerations. It's important to be aware of the ethical implications of technology and use it responsibly. This includes respecting privacy, protecting data, and promoting digital inclusion. Number five, balancing technology and human connection. Digital well-being. The IT era presents challenges to our digital well-being, including screen time, social media addiction, and the potential for isolation. Maintaining human connection is important to find a balance between technology and human connection. This means engaging in face to face interactions, nurturing relationships, and prioritizing real world experiences. Living in the IT era offers both opportunities and challenges. By embracing change, developing digital literacy, and acting ethically, we can navigate this dynamic landscape and harness the power of technology for positive impact. In my conclusion, living in the IT era has brought about tremendous opportunities and advancements that have transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world. It is essential to embrace these changes while also being mindful of the challenges that come with them. By harnessing the power of technology responsibly, we can create a more connected, efficient, and prosperous society for all. Now, based on Paul Omar P. Gongoso, he published this book last May 2024 about living in the IT era, the introductory basic computing. Thank you.